PUBG audio problems on iPhone. In this video, you're going to learn how to fix PUBG audio problems on iPhone. So let's get started. First, make sure that your device volume is turned up and not muted. Check the mute switch on the side of your device to ensure it's not activated. Verify that PUBG's in-game audio settings are not muted or set to low volume. Close PUBG completely by swiping it away from the recent apps menu, restart the game and see if the audio issue persists. Sometimes simply restarting the app can resolve temporary audio glitches. The next one is restart your device. Restart your iPhone device to refresh its system processes and settings. Press and hold the power button until the slide to power off slider appears, then slide to power off. Once powered off, press the power button again to turn it back on. The third option is update PUBG. Ensure that you have the latest version of PUBG installed from the App Store. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance, including audio issues. Then check device settings for audio output. Go to your device settings, sounds and haptics. Make sure that the ringer alerts volume slider is turned up. Check the selected audio output device, for example speakers, headphones, and ensure it's connected properly. You can also reset audio settings by going to settings and selecting audio. Reset the audio setting to default and then adjust them according to your preferences. Sometimes customized audio settings can cause unexpected issues. That's all. That's how you can easily fix PUBG audio problems on iPhone.